This is the Super Friends Super Show. I'm Sean Dwyer here with Ted DiBiase, the $1 Million Man, here to finally and officially present the winner of the Super Friends Super Draft. Ted, I've recited the rules to you. Take it away.
Hey, the winner of the Super Friends Super Draft and $70 American dollars. Boy, cheapskate. $70. Come on.
We do our best.
Because it melts so easy.
Nick Stutzman.
There you go, nailed it.
It's yellow.
This is a work.
Here we have. There's your.
There we go.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful
Part of that
certificate.
is my picture, of course.
That's right.
And
My 70
$70
American
dollars. And before I go, just remember, everybody's got a price for the $1 Million Man.
Thank you so much, Ted. We'll be back later. Thank you so much. Awesome.